No sunlight. No problem. Some plants can live where light barely touches. They don't give up even in the darkest corners. Let me show you 8 strong, low-light survivors. These plants can handle what others can't. Snake plant Sansevieria. The snake plant is a true warrior. It survives in almost any light condition. Even when you forget to water it, it still stands tall. Let the soil dry completely before watering again. Add a balanced liquid. Fertilizer once a month for faster growth. ZZ plant. Zamioculca zamiifolia. The ZZ plant stores energy in its thick stems. That's why it thrives with almost no light. It loves neglect. Water it only when the soil feels dry. For shiny new leaves, give it organic fertilizer in summer. Cast iron plant, also known as aspidistra. This one is built like steel. That's why they call it the cast iron plant. It grows happily in deep shade or dark rooms. Avoid direct sunlight. It burns the leaves. A little nitrogen fertilizer keeps it healthy and green. Peace lily. Spathiphyllum. Peace lily is calm and forgiving. It loves dim corners and still gives white blooms. Mist the leaves to keep humidity high. Use amino acid or bloom. Fertilizer once a month. In return, it fills your home with peace and purity. Pothos epipremnum aureum. This trailing beauty is a low-light champion. It keeps growing even in dark spots, but bright, indirect light makes its variegation pop. Keep its soil slightly moist, never soggy. ADD humic acid monthly dot for explosive growth. Dracaena Janet Craig compactor. Dracaena can handle almost any lighting. It grows even under artificial lights. Just water once a week, no more. Too much water kills its roots fast. For lush new leaves, use a nitrogen-rich or amino acid fertilizer. Chinese evergreen aglaonema. A true shade lover. It's beautiful, colorful, and nearly indestructible. Perfect for offices or rooms with no sunlight. Clean its leaves to help it breathe better. A monthly dose of mild fertilizer keeps it glowing. Which one of these low-light heroes do you have at home? Tell me in the comments below. Remember, these plants are resistant to low light, but for real growth, they still need bright, indirect sunlight. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more plant secrets. May your plants stay strong, your home stay green, and your heart stay full of peace.